Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Dragon Ball GEKISHIN SQUADRA gamepad or controller not working. So if you are also facing this kind of issue, just go through this video. So the first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the start option over here, then click on start power, then select restart. So after restarting your PC, now check if controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update controller drivers. So for that, go to this search option, search for device manager. Now go below, expand human interface device. Here you select your controller drivers, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So after updating the controller drivers, now check if the gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to the Steam option, go to the library, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller. Here you need to select enable Steam input, and after that check if the problem is resolved. If not, then again come back and select disable Steam input, and then try to launch the game and see if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, select properties. Now click on install files and click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now check if the issue is resolved. Next is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check if it's working. Developers often releases the updates on the game that you should download and install it. So you can go to Steam, and after selecting your game, you can select if there is any update available, and after updating, check if the problem is resolved. Next is to launch Steam in big picture mode. So for that, go to Steam. Above section here you need to click on enter big picture mode. After this, select your game and try to play it. If it's playing, then simply need to click on Steam option over here, then click on power, and then select exit big picture mode. So after this, check if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to Windows search for check for updates. Now here you should check if there is any update available. If there is any update, you simply need to update your Windows, and after that check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to install DS4 Windows tools. So for that, I have provided the link in the description. Just go through it, copy it and paste it in your browser, and after that download and install it, and then connect to your controller and update it. Once done, launch the game and check if the issue is resolved. So after this, check if the gamepad or controller is working or not in Dragon Ball GEKISHIN SQUADRA game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.